Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show faculty how to add descriptions to content topics. We may sometimes refer to these as content items or course activities. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to the Content tab in the course navbar. Content topics can only be added to modules. If we need to, add an activity now. To add a description to the activity, click on the drop-down caret to the right of the activity's title. Click on Edit Properties in Place in the menu that appears. Several options will appear. Click on Add a Description. A text box will appear along with the text editor tools. Add the description to the content item. Once we have, click on Update. When we do, we should see a banner at the bottom letting us know that the topic description has been updated. We should also see our description where the Add a Description option was. Note that to hide the other options, we need to reload the page. If we reload the page before we select Update, we will need to redo the description. To edit a topic description, click on the description text. The text box will appear along with the description and the text editor tools. Additionally, descriptions for drop boxes, discussions, and quizzes will appear automatically when added to the content area. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.